Signal the chimps to meet us at the rendezvous point with the superplane. Hotel ambassador. Let's move it. Yeah. Huh?
Did you spill?
No.
Okay.
At 12 o'clock.
Guys, you got a tail. Paparazzi! Pedal in the metal, private. Don't take any photos, please. Hi. Here I am.
Looking for your drink?
No more pictures! ETA to rendezvous point. 2 minutes, 37 seconds, sir. Man your battle station. Hey, wait! Nobody's in the wheel! Get back there! Taking him on the driver! There's no driver! Don't you sit there, fancy pants. Grab the wheel. Are you kidding? I don't drive. I'm a New Yorker. Move up with this, Daisy. What are you doing? Zebras can't drive. Only penguins and people can drive. What do all these buttons do? Nice one, Scratch.
The license plate says eat cake. Did you see that?
Yes.
Crazy Warren Gaming. Our Omega-3 snake will take him down. Fight it. Activate. He's good. Wolski, intel.
Sir, we have a serious problem. Capitan Chantal Dubois, Monaco Animal Control. Perfect case record.
You're going the wrong way, Marty. Just call me Marty O. Andretti. No, you're Sucky O. Andretti. Stop backseat driving. I'm passenger seat driving and I want the wheel. Give me the wheel. It's not a wheel. It's not a wheel. Won't start. Give me the wheel. Hey, it's too late for you to drive. Don't look at me. Don't look at me when we argue. Look at the road.
Be cool. Be cool. Hi, officer. Is there a problem?
Hi. Oh, watch out!
She's crazy.
We need more power. Time to fire up Kowalski's nuclear reactor.
That's a nuclear reactor?
Nuclear. She's on the
But
road.
sir, it's not ready. The control rods will have to be calibrated. And don't even ask me about the uranium-238 blanket.
Okay. Okay, Marty, we lost her. Maybe you can slow down now. I can't. There's no brakes. No brakes. Way to commit, soldier. Ah! Let's get out of here. Hey, where's everybody going?
He got a little bit happy.
I'm the first flying monkey. That's up. Take it out of here. Yeah, baby.
No way.
Everybody, on the monkey chain. Deploy banana gun. Guys, toss them up. Let's go. Go, go, go. Go. Come on, Millman. Woo, yeah.
My neck.
serpentine. Serpentine!
You know what serpentine is? It's a main belt that goes through like a motor, like on a car or something. You could turn your light on if you wanted to, Jay. Now you're getting in the shower.
I'm just straightening up my room real quick
Oh,
and
okay.
then I'm gonna hop in.
Oh, no, okay. I just didn't want you to think I was making you turn off the light.
No,
Okay.
I get it, I get it.
Okay.
Blood.
Hold this. Alex, be careful. She's crazy. You think, Marty?
Lucky.
That's right. Oh, free, baby. Woo!
Game on, lion.
Well played, Lion. Game on.